The first time a human saw a dinosaur was likely in the late 1800s, when paleontologists began to excavate fossils from the ground. These fossils provided the first concrete evidence that dinosaurs had once existed, and they quickly captured the imagination of the public. In 1905, the first dinosaur skeleton was put on display at the American Museum of Natural History in New York City. This exhibit was a huge success, and it helped to solidify the image of dinosaurs as fearsome creatures that once ruled the earth. Since then, dinosaur fossils have been found all over the world, and our understanding of these creatures has grown exponentially. We now know that dinosaurs were a diverse group of animals, ranging in size from the tiny Compsognathus to the massive Brachiosaurus. While we may never know what it was like to see a dinosaur in person, we can still marvel at these amazing creatures through the fossil record. They are a reminder of a time when the Earth was very different from the world we know today. Here are some of the first dinosaurs that humans saw. Megalosaurus. This was the first dinosaur to be named and described by scientists. It was discovered in England in the early 1820s. Iguanodon. This was the first dinosaur to be depicted in popular culture. It appeared in a book by Sir Richard Owen in 1854. Brontosaurus. This was one of the largest dinosaurs ever discovered. It was named in 1877, but it was later determined to be the same species as Apatosaurus. Tyrannosaurus rex. This is perhaps the most famous dinosaur of all. It was named in 1905, and it has been featured in many movies and books. These are just a few of the many dinosaurs that humans have seen for the first time in the past few centuries. As we continue to excavate fossils, we are likely to learn even more about these amazing creatures.